Hi, in this video we will be looking for and testing these two options, which are D and E of option 1. When no further action but stay in touch happens, and no further action take me off the list, which is the E option. Let's do the D part. We have to create a lead. Name company German Motors. Email. How? No. My email. Lead gets created. So there is one initial activity which we have to change. We have to complete it before moving to this option. We can save it, but we can choose it, but we can't save it. See, there's an validation error. Please complete the open task. We'll do it. Like, go to the activity, change the status and mark it complete. So that's why we refresh it, because the other tab was not refreshed. So F5 for this. Click on details. So there should be no open task now, and user tries to make a contact, but he receives feedback that no further action should be. The prospect is not interested, but you can stay in touch. So what this will do after the save is it will start a lead nurture campaign, which will create an activity which is due 30 days from today. So there will be one open task after the save, and we click the save here. The next section will change to nurture campaign, and there is one open task. Let's all the whole window gets refreshed, and this is the email. Email does not have anything. It is just a container email which has a due date of next month on September 7th. Today is 8th of August. Let's mark it. We can mark it complete, doesn't matter, since there's no further action to be done here. If user wants to move further based on if they make a connection with the prospect, he can choose other options available in the lead process flow section and proceed further. So for the option of demoing this, for the demoing of this option, this video is complete now.